A little bit of a rainy day today, isn't it? It's a little bit of a rainy day. Yeah, just a wee, just a wee. Taquita, taquita, taquita. What do you see outside, taquita? What do you see outside, taquita? Is it beautiful? Oh, yes, very beautiful. The day after Christmas, the second day of Kwanzaa. I think it's like self-determination. I love the principles of Kwanzaa. They're so awesome. Oh, you about to get into something. I see you. I see you. About to get into something. Boop. What do you see, honey? What do you see out there? Isn't it beautiful? Let me see. You look like you could take a nap. It's nap time, huh? It's about to be nap time. It's about to be nap time. Look at your little chest. You look like you need a little nap. Yeah. All right, guys. Self-determination. Well, you guys have that naturally, so it's great. And unity.